Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I brought along a little guest to help with the video.
The first project that my mom did was this half-moon table.
Fusion paint is good paint to go over many wood surfaces. However, with this piece, because it was so shiny, I ended up giving it a quick sanding just to make sure the paint has something extra to grip onto.
My mom is making stretch marks two different ways. One with sandpaper
And the other with water and a paper towel. Fusion paint doesn't need a top coat, but for this piece I ended up putting one on just because the actual wood was exposed after I decided to distress it. And also I wanted to prevent any of the distress marks from getting any larger than they already are.
It's all done. I hope you like it. This is project number 2.
I started off by giving this table a quick sand too. found it faster to use scissors when making the distress marks for this table. The sandpaper was used for certain areas and also just to knock down any extra paint that was raised up from the scissors. But for the majority of this table, I used the scissors.
This is it done and I think it looks good.